Hello friends, welcome to my channel Indrani Cooks, where I make cooking easy and fun filled. Today a very quick and very fun filled and very interesting recipe. Some mustard oil in a heated pan. To this goes the tempering of mustard seeds, chana dal and urad dal and a dry red chili. When all of this starts releasing a nice aroma and splatters, to this I'm going to add few curry leaves and a little bit of hing or asafoetida, say 1/4 teaspoonful of asafoetida will be lovely. To this I'm adding some diced onions and I will be frying these diced onions till they are golden in color. In between, friends, please don't forget to press the like button and share with your friends. And those who are new to my channel today, my humble request, please don't forget to subscribe also along with the small bell icon. It will really boost me up. Here goes the Arbi, which I have boiled nicely. And now to this I will be adding the curd. Here I have taken homemade curd. To this I have added a little bit of sugar and water. After washing the curd bowl, I will be adding some more water also. Now goes a little bit of turmeric powder and red chili powder and salt according to your taste. These are the only spice that I am going to add. It is a very simple and easy yet too tasty dish. You may try this once, friends. Mix everything very nicely and let this boil till you get your desired consistency. I will show you all that, friends. And you can avoid the onion also if you want to make it completely vegetarian. But for me, I do add onion and garlic even in the days of vegetarian days. Now see the consistency, friends. This is exactly the consistency that I desired. Now here I will be adding few slit green chilies and coriander leaves. Coriander leaves are also optional. You can add them, you can avoid them also, but this gives a really lovely flavor. Now I am going to serve this, friends, and try this once with jeera rice, with plain rice, with paratha, with fulka. I prefer it the most with fulkas. It goes very nice with fulkas. And friends, I will be waiting for your feedback, how you all liked it. Just garnish it with a little bit of coriander leaves. You can add kasuri methi also if you like to, but today I have avoided that. Be happy, be merry. Catch you all soon again. Keep me in your prayers. Thank you all for watching.